If you're lucky enough to have a Hyundai i30N, you'll be wanting at some point to give it more power. Now, before you do that, before you remap and add your exhaust, you want to get more air in. And luckily, Forge Motorsport has the best looking, best performing, best sounding induction kit you've ever seen. First of all, just look at it. Look at the way it sits in the engine bay. This intake, this beautiful mandrel bent intake, that's 102 millimeters, 4 inches in old money. That is going to flow a significant amount of air. Then you've got the filter, that's made with Forge's induction partner pipe across. They've got some form at Motorsport filters. It's absolutely huge. The surface area of the filter probably about between 4 and 5 times greater than the factory part. Now you might be wondering, why is this not sitting in a heat shielding? Well, 2 reasons. One, there's an awful lot of cold air comes through here in the front of the car, and during dyno and track testing with Forge's R&D division, they found actually the best solution was to have the biggest filter possible and let it sit here in the engine bay. When they tried a heat shield setup, they had to run a smaller filter. That constricted the air. This is the setup that makes the most power. So you're coming in here through the induction, through this 102, go through the inlet adapter. We'll talk about that on a separate video. But it looks good, it works well, but the best bit is the noise it makes. It gives you that induction noise back into the car. So it helps you to make more power, the remap. It looks good and it sounds good. Well worth your money. Click the link and find out more.